You're hearing and seeing blood flow through Jeff Eason's carotid artery, the large arteries on both sides of the neck that carry blood to the brain. It's a very different look and sound from last fall.
That's when we discovered that I had a blockage in the left carotid artery in the area of like 90%.
The nearly whole cell artery blockage from plaque buildup was discovered when Eason's doctor suggested a vascular screening after a very healthy checkup and a clean bill of health. The 90% blockage found at the Rex Life screening was a literal time bomb Eason never knew was there and fast winding down.
The left side of his brain would have been at risk for a devastating stroke. The left side of the brain controls speech and the right side of the body. So potentially he could have had a devastating stroke and been paralyzed on his right side and been unable to speak.
And it can happen just all of a sudden with no warning, and that would have been the case with me.
Had it not been for this carotid duplex ultrasound test.
This is an ultrasound probe, high-frequency ultrasound with color doppler.
Dr. Wayne Smith in the Rex Vascular Diagnostics lab employs the same doppler technology used by meteorologists, along with ultrasound, to show how open the arteries are and how quickly blood flows through them.
What this does, it gives us a real-time picture of the artery, but we are actually able to measure blood flow. And it's those measurements of the blood flow that allow us to then say, this blood vessel is 50% blocked, it's 80% blocked, it's totally blocked, or it's 0% blocked.
Surgeons with Carolina Vascular Surgery performed an endarterectomy on Eason, making an incision on his neck and then cleaning out the plaque on the inner lining of his carotid artery. In some cases, surgeons do minimally invasive stent procedures, inserting a long, thin catheter, inflating a tiny balloon, then placing a tiny mesh stent to hold the artery open.
Fortunately, he's back to 0% on this side.
I think this is a good example of why you should get that checked out.